On this episode of Gone Sailing,
back out on Lake Superior. We got the head sail up. We'll put the main up in here in a bit. We got spaghetti and meatballs out of the galley. Kelly was cooking there while I was tending the helm. So looks like we'll be in Marquette about 3 o'clock. Plenty of time to goof around in downtown Marquette.
Sounds good.
Got some pretty nice winds. Sailing on Lake Superior on our way over to Marquette. Get in mid-afternoon, that'll be fun. Okay, we're pulled up, I guess, about a third of a mile off the shore from the Sable dunes here in the southern shore, on the southern shore of Lake Superior. And looking at the terrain map shows that the top of that land there is at about 920 feet above sea level, given the Lake Superior level is about 600 or 620 above sea level. That would put those dunes something like 300 feet off the shore, rising almost straight up. It's kind of dangerous actually walking along this edge of the shoreline because of falling sand and could come down. Sand slides, yeah, and you can see them there. That it's pretty steep. So we pulled in a little closer to these dunes. Pretty awesome sight here on the southern shore of Lake Superior. We are just west of Grand Marais, Michigan, and not too far either, maybe one mile, maybe 2 miles down the shoreline, and we see these 300-foot sand dunes rising up right out of the water. And it's actually kind of dangerous to walk along there. You can see where there's been some slides. Quite a sight. We do?
1.9.
Yeah, 1.9 knots of wind. We pulled in here by the dunes.
Shore, but we're still okay.
And you can see out to the distance there on the right there, that's Sable Point. There's a light there marking a shoal that extends about a mile out. So it's a 6-foot ledge of rocks that all the mariners need to avoid. So we are going to head out toward offshore and get away, but thought we'd come in and take a look at these dunes. See, there's a slide, it's about a mile off there. It's kind of small on the video, but you can see a whole portion of the hill, just all the trees are gone. And, the sand just gave way and slid down. Well, here we just passed the Sable Light and we picked up a bunch of westerly winds. 15 knots, so we're going to tack. West is kind of the general direction we want to go, maybe a little southwest. So we cut the motors and we got up, sails are up. We're doing about 4 knots, so we're happy with that. Not heeling a whole lot, but it's nice and quiet on board, and temperatures in the 70s, so you gotta like this.
So, you know what? Rob and I are pretty lucky. Neither one of us tends to be seasick, mal de mer. But just as a safety precaution when we're kind of rolling and a lot of heeling, I put on a C-band or two. It's a little knob on an elastic that hits you right in an acupressure point that is for nausea, to relieve nausea. And so just as a precaution, I wear a C-band when the seas get rough.
There's a swimming beach ahead. I count 1, 2, 3, at least 3 boats in there. Several people in the water. Yeah, we got some divers on a wreck over there. And some swimmers in the water. But I think that white ball there, those white balls are marking a wreck. Sunken ship. And this is Murray Bay. Yep. Looks like I got 2 other boats in here, probably one staying for the night. Okay, we're at 15 feet. I heard that. Get this anchor ready. This is the right at 100 feet on the line. So I got a little, let's see, 15 feet of water would be 105, so it's 7-to-1 scope.
Here we are in Grand Marais, walking down the beach, along the sand dunes, looking for the famed waterfall. Been walking for quite some time, we haven't found it yet.